3 ways to get paid to watch videos in 2019. What's up everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we're going to have a look at today. 3 ways on how you can make some money by watching videos online. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, this is going to be a short video, so make sure you stick till the end and watch the whole thing so you don't miss out on any important information here. And you're probably not going to get rich by watching videos online, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's bring some popcorn, let's watch some videos and get paid. Let's get started. Alright, so the first site that we're going to have a look at today is YouCubes with Z at the end .com, YouCubes.com. And this is how it looks when we arrive to the site. You can see here you earn cash online by viewing websites, complete surveys and watching videos, which we are interested in. 20,000 payments have been sent, so you can see there is 284,000 members actually. This is established since 2007, so it's definitely has some good reputations here. Now the cool thing here is actually that you can make money, of course, by referring friends. So you see here that you earn up to 15% commission from your referrals and their referrals also. There is definitely more opportunities here to make money with. It is by taking paid surveys, so you complete online surveys and tasks in exchange for real cash. By viewing ads, you can get paid to view websites, watch videos, which we are interested in, and explore the internet. There is also an option here that you can promote your business. There we have the watch the videos, and of course you get paid with PayPal, as it says here. So once again they mention over 20,000 payments processed to date. Something to mention also is you can have a look at the forum here. They do cover a lot of topics, and there is also some payment proof, so you can have a look at it if you're skeptical actually. So just go to YouCubes with Z at the end .com and get started to make some money by watching videos. Alright, let's move on to the next one, which is ErnaBling.com. ErnaBling.com, digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos and taking surveys. So you can definitely make more money here if you're interested, and you can do that of course with doing some tasks, watching videos and taking surveys. Now of course we are interested in the first hand to actually watch videos here, but it doesn't tells us that we can't make even more money with the other options here. So have a look at the details here for yourself. No need for me to go through everything. There is a help section, and all you have to do is just sign up, totally free of course, to sign up for and get started with ErnaBling.com. Alright, number 3 is actually MyPoints.com. Now this is also another site where you can actually earn points when you watch videos, but you can do a lot of other things here also. We need to go to the video section, so that is how it looks. You earn points when you watch video playlists on your favorite topics. So this is actually an app, so if we go to Google Play here, you can see here Earn My Points, your daily rewards program. So Earn is a reward program website where members can collect reward points by making online purchases from certain retailers, taking surveys, watch videos which we are interested in, and more. So you definitely have more options to make money with all the three ways that I shared with you here, the three websites actually. Alright, so that's pretty much it. 3 ways to get paid to watch videos in 2019. Now I've already shared more sites actually on my channel here on another video on how you can make even more money by watching videos. So I leave a link somewhere here so you can watch that video too if you're interested. And keep in mind, as I said, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you get some value of this video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't leave yet, you'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, so make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another make money online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.